Hi, let me introduce myself. My name is Peggy Campbell-Rush, and I am a Fulbright Education Specialist and an educational consultant, helping over 150 countries with educational issues around the world. This is my 49th year in education, so I've seen and learned quite a few things. On Wednesday, October 9th, from 3 to 4 p.m., I'm going to be presenting a workshop called The Parent Whisperer via Zoom for the Independent School Association of the Central States. This lively workshop is appropriate not only for classroom teachers, but also for administrators. You can be in school, teaching your heart out, enjoying your day, and then something comes to a screeching halt when you have to deal with or meet with an angry parent. And parent relations are of paramount importance in independent schools these days. So please come and attend this lively and informative workshop. You're going to learn tips and tricks and techniques to make your communication with parents so much easier, smoother, and much more productive. So I'll see you on October 9th. Thank you.